Hey guys, welcome to this video. It's going to be a video all about how to book Airbnbs for a lot cheaper. But before I talk about that, please like and subscribe to this channel for more videos on travel. So you want to book Airbnbs for half the cost. How do you go about that? Well, it's easy. You simply have to book closer to the date on when you want to stay at the Airbnb. There's so many Airbnbs out there to whichever location you're going to, but chances are there's always going to be something available. You don't need to book in advance, because when you're booking in advance, sometimes travel trips change, and then you don't, if the host has a strict policy on return, then you might not even get your return. So the best way to book the cheaper priced Airbnbs is by booking several days before your trip or even the day of your trip. And I'm going to show you guys why. It's because the hosts that are very active on Airbnb, if they have that date available and it's already that day, they will slash the price, completely lower it, because they would rather recoup some money than losing out all of the money on that day. If they were to have like 5 days that weren't booked for the calendar month, that would be a ton of money lost right there, especially if they normally get at least $100 a night. So that's $500 lost. If they slash the price to, let's say, even $50 a night, and 3 out of those 5 get booked for that price, well, they've already recouped $150 versus losing out on $500 total, right? With this strategy, this is mostly the slashing the price down. When prices are slashed down on Airbnb, that means those hosts are really good at changing their calendar. They're active hosts. They aren't the hosts that are going to be just having an Airbnb out there and hoping that someone is going to book them, having that calendar where it's just a set price throughout the whole year. These hosts that are slashing prices down are the ones that are active on Airbnb and are making a lot of money on Airbnb because of the strategies that they have. This is the same concept with hotels. Like, if you were to book a hotel on Hotwire, you get that special secret deal. It's because those hotels, they would normally be vacant on that day for however many rooms that they would be vacant for that day. But by slashing the price down and booking it through something like Hotwire, then they're able to recoup some money versus losing out on all of that. So this is how you book Airbnbs, and I am a personal Airbnb host myself, so I know this. I used to book Airbnbs quite in advance. I'm talking like months in advance, and I don't do that now after seeing all the strategies and price dropping that happens. So if you're worried about wanting to stay for like a whole week and there won't be any available out there, there will be available Airbnbs for you, because the hosts that are specifically geared towards a longer stay will bump their price up a lot higher in advance, and as the day comes, they will start slashing the prices down in order to get booked, because the people that are just normally competitive pricing strategy on Airbnb, so if they're the same price from every other person, chances are they're going to book those one night stays here and there and here and there. They have this huge gap in their calendar versus the host that is going for the longer stays. Their prices are going to be a lot higher, so no one's going to want to book with them until all the people that have already like ruined their calendars, those hosts that had the higher price, now are going to be popping up for the people that want the longer stays, because the other hosts have already ruined their calendar. So, and as the dates get closer, the hosts are going to drop the prices. That's it. I hope you got the whole strategy on booking Airbnbs. Don't do it ahead of time. Just do it even the day of or a few days. Technically, the prices don't really slash the difference between a day and same day. Just book it late. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want more travel tips like this, please subscribe to this channel for more videos on travel. Have a great day.